If your drive to work feels like a drag, you're in luck. Flying cars are here and ready to transform your journey. Welcome back to Gear Hub. Today, we're diving into the future with 7 real flying cars that actually fly. First up, the Terrafugia Transition. It's a car and a plane, perfect for those who want the best of both worlds. Next, the Aeromobile 4.0 transforms in just 3 minutes. The Blackfly is all-electric and runway-free. Eco-friendly for urban travelers. Samson Switchblade's 3-wheel design takes off in under 3 minutes. Klein Vision Aircar just completed a successful intercity flight. PayLV Liberty is a versatile gyroplane car combo. And the Aska A5 offers vertical takeoff for any terrain. The future of transportation is here. Which flying car do you think is the coolest? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Gear Hub.